Hello, hello out there, world. I'm back, and I have a quick little video here for you. It was a commission that came in to me for a clock. The parents wanted to teach their toddler how to tell time, and he loves oceans and nautical and things. So I did this sassy seas, moody ocean look for him, and the kid loved it. So right here, all I'm doing is laying down just some base coat, sealing in the MDF. I put so much, I actually had to let this dry for like 2 days because I was just having fun with my blues. And then I got it up into the studio, and right here I'm just mixing some colors. After this I do show you which colors I use. And just this video is me laying down the first layer, which is the color coat ocean base. And you'll see that I heat it up a lot. I do not suggest that you do that. I just sometimes like working with resin that is almost like water. It's so fluid when you heat it up as much as I do. But it gives you kind of the different effects, and it just melds so much better. So that's what you'll see in the video here of me doing. The second layer, which is where I do the frothy waves, I ended up using just resin titanium white. And I know this will not surprise people if they know me. I lost the footage of me doing the second layer and adding all the white frothy waves. But that's what I did for second layer. Just clear coat, titanium white, and melded it with a heat gun. That's it. Third coat, clear flood coat. And then add clock parts, and the clock's done. So that's what this video is. I have quite a few commissions and a whole lot of house projects and some more skulls coming up. I'll be uploading a lot more and getting more into routine starting soon. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe if you want to see some upcoming creations. And again, I thank you to all the new subscribers. I love it. I love all your messages and comments. And always, if you have any questions, ask in the comment. I answer every comment. So if you have a question, put it down in the comment section and I will try to answer it. If you have ideas of things you want me to maybe do or suggestions, I do have a list that I just write down what people's suggestions are or ideas to try. And also, if you are a resin artist, I do have a code with artisttilldeath.com. They're a one-stop resin shop, ship basically anywhere in the world. They're right here in Dallas, Texas, and you can use code VAMP on their website to save just a little bit of money, but anything also that you could possibly need for resin, including resin, they have it. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye-bye.